Hello everyone and a warm welcome. Welcome to the unbiased review of Meradoor.com website. So in today's video I'm going to analyze Meradoor.com reviews and will also explain Meradoor.com is a scam or legit. So this is not our website guys, the review is unbiased. You'll get to know about the genuine information regarding this website. So watch the video till end and let's get started. As you can see, this is the homepage of this website along with the various product categories like phone case, bikini, lingerie, skincare, bath set, jewelry, keychains, etc. So this is an online site which is offering products like jewelry, keychain, phone case, lingerie, women's clothes and many more items. Guys, this website is also offering various discounts on particular products of flat 50%. So you can check out the list and find your desired option to make any purchase. Let's take a look at the About Us page. So if you want to read this information, you can simply read. And let's take a look at the Contact Us information. Here the contact information is available on the website. The email ID is contact@meradoor.com. Telephone number is available, you can see here. And the office address is also available. But the office address of the Meradoor.com provided is a fake address guys. It is incomplete and looks like the address they put is to astray the buyers. So we can't trust on this website. It is a scam. And when I talk about the reviews, the major drawback found about the website is its negative Meradoor reviews, which shows no one is receiving any product. This is not a legit website. And Meradoor.com is not available on any social media page, which is not a good sign in terms of the trust index. So you need to take care of your money and you need to check the entire information before making any purchase from this website. Let's take a look at the shipping policy. The duration is 1 to 3 days of ordering. And let's take a look at the return policy. So the return period is 30 days and condition is your product should be unworn, unwashed and with original tags attached. So here you can see the return address, but as I have already discussed about the address, it is fake, not an original thing. And guys, if you want to subscribe the news and updates of this website, you can simply enter your email address here and sign up. The payment information is missing on this website, which is not a good sign of legitimacy. Few customers also reported it as a scam website, which indicates that it is not fit for any buyer to purchase any product. So the decision to buy and preferring the website is up to you. It's your choice. I suggest our readers opt for any other site but purchase the product after identifying all the details. It is necessary guys. So I think I have done with the website review. So always take care of the trust index. You need to verify the website trust seals. Check whether the website has the padlock with HTTPS or not. And always look for website review because it will help you to get to know about the legitimacy of the website. In case you have a bad experience with this company, you can share your experience in the comment box. It will give benefit to other customers while reviewing a website or ordering from any website. So guys, If you like the video, then hit the like button. Share your good and bad experiences as well in our comment section. We are waiting for you. And then subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.